mga beshi, so ngayon nga po pala ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga gamit ko sa school. So tara na! First things first, backpack ko. Ito po siya, di ba ganda? Tapos, ito po yung wallet ko. Wallet ko po to. Wala po siyang laman dahil bago pa lang, di ba? Ito yung crayons ko. Oil pastel. Di ba? And then, I also have yellow notebook. Ito po siya. And then, purple notebook. Orange notebook. Another orange notebook. Another orange notebook. And then, white notebook. Red notebook. Pink notebook. Another orange notebook. And I also have blue notebooks. I love the color blue because it matches my bag. Next, my 2 sheets of paper. Here is it, guys. And I also have 3 sparkline. Here is it. Orange, yellow, green, and blue scissors. And I also have this glue. It's only 10 pesos. And I have here my ball pens, 3 ball pens. I have black, blue, and red. And there extra ink here. And I also have watercolor. And then band paper. Colored paper. And then this correction tape. So that's all, guys. See you for my next video.